Hey, what's up guys? My name is Dan Coconati and today we're going to be taking a look at the song called Crash First by Honest Abe and MGK. Now the song is in D standard tuning, so that just means every string is tuned down a whole step pretty much. So you're going to be looking at a D, a G, a C, F, A, and then D for your strings there. So get yourself a tune and then we're going to start on this lesson. All right, so let's take a look at that first half of the song. So we it's really broken into two sections of this track. You know, we got the first half with the just clean guitar sound, and then the second half we kick in our power chords and our distortion and start rocking out. So this riff that we're going to be teaching you first is really the first entire half of the song. So once you get this played, that's the first minute and a half, I think, of the song. So let's take a look here. So it starts off with this. So all that is that's going to be on your D string here, and that's a 6, hammer on to 7, and then pull off to 6 of that D string. So, and then you finish on a 7th fret of the A string. So all together, that's the first little chunk of the riff, okay? And then we get into this, so. Right, so then you hear that at the very end. So that next part, after the first intro, you got an open now of the A string to a 9th of your D string. And you're gonna go in between those two. Right, so. And then, so similar idea, going in between now an open of your E to a 6th of the D, and you're gonna do that 2 times as well. Okay, so first, right? And then the next part is gonna be a 9th fret now of the E, and you're going 9 to 9 there. So 9 of the E and then 9 of the D, and again, 2 times. And then you finish it on a 7th of that E string, and then go up to the 6th of the D. And then that little intro chunk that we already learned there. So all together, let's play it really slow, but this is gonna be that entire first half of the song really. So here we go. All right, let's take a look at our distortion section of this song. So we kind of kick this in the second half. And this section it's all palm mutes. So if you don't know what a palm mute is, it's literally you're taking the palm of your hand and resting it on your strings while you're playing these notes. Right? So the first riff, it starts off right there, and that's a 9th fret of your E, and then a 7th of the A. And you're gonna play it 2 times. And then, so now it's a 5 of the E to a 7 of the A. And then you're gonna slide on the second time from 7 up to 9 on that A string. So all together. Okay. So now we got opens on our E, and then a 7th of our A. So, and that's 3 times. So first bit, second. All right, and then we finish it. So that's a 4th fret of our E now, up to 7, and then back to 4. And that is literally the entirety of that riff there. Okay, so let's take a look at our power chords that we layer after that main riff there. This is also kind of the verse section. I don't know. All right, I'm just being goofy here. So we have a 4th fret power chord on our A string. So it's a 4 and then a 6 on the D, and that makes up your power chord. That's the root and the 5th. All right, so that's your first chord, and that's strummed 8 times. I think it's palm muted. It sounds like it's palm muted, so 8 times. Right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And then we go into, and that's again 8 times, but 5th fret power chord now on our E string. So 5 with a 7 and a 7. So that's just your root 5th, and then I can't recall what that last one is. It just brightens the chord up. But again, another power chord, 5th fret power chord of our E. Right? So so that last little bit now we come on down to an E minor power chord, and that's just open with a 2nd of our A, and then a 2nd of the D. And we actually play that out a little bit longer. I believe this is 12 strums. Maybe listen to the song on that one. But so, and then the last chord that you finish it on is a 4th fret power chord. Again, so 4 and then a 6 and a 6 if you want to add it. So that's 4 fret of the E, 6 of the A, and 6 of the D for the last one. But that is your 4 chords in the progression. So let's play it all together. And again, we'll have some tabs available. Okay, so last bit, I just want to show this because it sounds like it's in the song, and we just kind of have an overdub, excuse me, of a 2nd guitar playing. Right, so very simple. We're going to be taking a look here on our D string, 6th fret, okay? So it's 6th fret to the 4th fret, and then to your 7th fret, and then you finish it on the 6th again, all on that D string. So, and that's literally the little guitar fill, and you're just kind of palm muting it, picking it however you think sounds fit, but that is the overdub guitar. So just wanted to point that out, but very basic. Again, 6 to 4 to 7 to 6, and that's just kind of being strummed over top or overdubbed of the chorus chords of the. Right, so just kind of adds a little more flavor to the song, but that is in there, and feel free to add that in when you are playing this as well. Thank you guys so much for checking out this guitar tutorial on the new song called Crash First by honestav and MGK. Now, if this helped you out and you're able to learn the song, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe, and be ready for more future guitar videos. Thanks.